children. I welcome you all once again to your English class. I hope you all are doing fine. Children, for today's English lesson, we are going to continue with articles and determiner chapter from your Mastering Grammar book. And you know we have already finished learning the use of and the, and we were studying about some of the exceptional cases like when can we repeat the, and now in today's video lesson we are going to start with when can we omit the, right? So now children, when can we omit actually all the articles and the. How can you omit and when to omit? Omit means removal. You can remove it. You can opt not to use it. Articles and the are omitted. Now you are on page number 43. It can be omitted when, like, sugar is sweet. You do not say the sugar is sweet or a sugar is sweet. You can just opt for sugar is sweet. Okay, sugar will stand alone. Before names of substances and abstract nouns such as a general sense, used in a general sense, like sugar, beauty. Beauty? No. Beauty. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Before most words like proper nouns, I told you proper nouns won't be taking any article before them. Like you cannot say the India. But children, when it's a combination of some states, I told you, like in the United States of America, you are going to use what? You're going to use the. Now India is densely populated, China has progressed well. These were all proper nouns, so we are not going to use what? We are not going to use any article before the proper nouns. Okay, which are the names of people, names of continents, cities, countries, etc. Before names of meals used in a general sense, like dinner has been served, breakfast is ready. Right children, you can see that meals we are using the term dinner and breakfast, so we can use it that way. Before languages, English, French. Example, Miss Sain teaches English. So we are not saying an English, okay? We are not using the English. So before name of subjects as well, we are not going to use any article. Now before names of relation like father, mother, brother, uncle, we are not going to use any article. When a noun is used in a general sense, cotton is a natural fiber. So cotton is a natural fiber. Cotton is a fiber. You can see it's used in a general sense. We are not talking about particular, or we are not talking about all. So it's cotton only. With plural nouns, when they denote a class like children. Yes, we are not saying the children. We are not mentioning a particular. So we can omit articles here. No need to use the, an, or all. Children have impressionable minds with names of days, months and seasons. You do not say the Monday unless and until you are specifying that Monday. I will come on the Monday. So I am talking about specific Monday. But when you are not using it in particular sense, you are going to omit it. Like I will come on Monday. I will visit you in January. Okay. Seasons. Monday is the first working day of the week. In notices, headlines, email messages, like Chief Minister meets delegates from China. Not like the Chief Minister. You don't need to write the Chief Minister has met the delegates from China. So this is also okay. This is also right. This is not completely wrong. Now there are certain exceptions we see. Let's look at some exceptions. Some uncountable nouns take the when used in a particular sense. Like some uncountable nouns like sugar. See here. Where did you keep the sugar I bought yesterday? So I am talking about particular uncountable noun. That's why I am going to use what? I am going to use the. Okay. The speaker is asking about the particular sugar bought the day before. Hence the is used before sugar. The beauty of Cinderella. So we are talking about the specific beauty of Cinderella only. Okay, Cinderella. Here the sentences talks about the beauty of Cinderella in particular. Hence the is used for before beauty. Okay. Now here you can see we have proper nouns can be used with article the if. I told you in the condition when proper noun can be omitted. Okay. Now we see that in some proper nouns we can use before them the article the, because we are specifying that particular person. We are actually emphasizing the person. Rajnikant is the Amitabh Bachchan of the Southern film industry. Amitabh Bachchan stands for an actor who is very popular. Yes, so that's why we are using the here. Now, an is used as an adjective before breakfast, lunch, dinner. Jyoti had an early supper, so she is feeling hungry. The is used when we specify. So, the dinner, if I am talking, I am going to the dinner, that means I am going to that particular dinner which is organized, which is going to be held. Okay. Article the is never used with the following phrases. So, when you are using these phrases which are there, mentioned right here, to make use of, you are not going to say to make the use of. Okay. To take part in day by day, from head to foot, like to lose heart, by mistake, by chance, to pay attention to, at home, to be at fault, to take interest in, by car, to take to heart, on foot, by hand. All these phrases will be using what? Will not be using the article the. Now children, moving to exercise D. Use appropriate articles wherever necessary. Put X or cross wherever they are not required. Okay, I will be writing the answers. Now the first exercise for this day is on page number 44, exercise D. Page 44. Number 1. It took almost an hour, right? Because it's H is silent here, hour. I was taught, okay children, here we are not going to write anything, French, okay? So French is a language here. I was taught French by a French lady, okay? So some French lady taught him. Dash English is my favorite subject. Before subject we don't use any articles, so cross it. And English is my favorite subject. Dash brother came on his bicycle. Before relations also we are not going to use any article, so it's crossed. On the way I met an European. He met a European, not a European, and an American. Number 6 now. Dash patience is dash virtue. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a feeling here, so is a virtue. Virtue are many, so we are talking about patience in general sense. Patience in general sense, a virtue, and here we won't be writing anything. So yes, first one will be cross and second one will be Please give me dash salt from the yellow packet. So I am asking about the particular salt. Please give me the salt. I am particularly asking about the salt. Number 8. I invited him. Now we are going to talk about I invited him for dinner. You can just omit this. We can prefer not to use it. So also you could have used the I invited him for the dinner, because we can talk about specific dinner as well. Dash sun rises in the east. So we are particularly talking about a specific thing. So the and the, because direction also we use the, and for particular things also we can use the. So here we have number 9. Now moving to 10. Draw dash map of India. So draw, see our map of India. Our map of India, but before India we are not going to use any article. Now we have number 11. Tagore is the only Indian, because we are talking about particularly Tagore only. He is the only. Before only, same, all these words we can use the. Only Indian to have won the Nobel Prize. Yes, the Nobel Prize. Now here, Nobel Prize is done. Number 12. John was selected as the best performer, because I told you before superlatives we are going to use the. Teacher taught us the 4th chapter. This chapter is very particular because I am specifically mentioning that teacher taught us which chapter. Teacher taught us the 4th chapter. Now number 14. Dash beauty of the girl fascinated everyone. We are talking about the specific beauty of that girl. So the beauty. Otherwise we could have easily omitted. If we are talking about only beauty in general sense, then we could have omitted the. Now, New Delhi is dash very costly place to live in. New Delhi is a very costly because there are many cities which are costly. Among them is New Delhi. So, yes, children, we are done with exercise D also. Now we are moving to exercise E. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles wherever required. Okay, let's do number E. I hope you have finished this. This exercise is on page number 45. Number 1. I learned dash French. So there won't be any I learned French in this school. Okay, so the school. In particular school he learned. So the school. Dash moon, the moon. I am talking about the moon specifically, which is a specific thing. There was not a star. So stars are countable in dash sky, in the sky yesterday. Number 4. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory. Yes, union. Union is starting with a consonant sound. That's why O. Yes. Dash movie we saw last week. The movie. Because I'm talking about the particular movie. So, the movie I saw. Number 6. My father gave me a book to read. Okay. So, he gave him a book which is not particular. Any book can be given. Dash intelligence of dash princess made everyone speechless. The intelligence, we are talking about specific intelligence of the specific people, of the princess. So, of the princess. We are talking about particular. Number 8. So, here also children see there is a specific name of this newspaper. I regularly read the Times of India. So, I told you for newspaper names also we are going to use the. Okay. Now, we are moving ahead with demonstratives. This children will actually help you get an idea about the demonstrative adjectives that we had learned. Okay, you can relate to it. Now, demonstrative words are like this, that, these and those, which are point out to persons or object close by or at a distance. Now, examples: this chair is not polished well. That hill has big rocks and a waterfall. So you can see these are adjectives. Okay, so they are also going to tell us about specific or about particular nouns. They are also going to point at nouns. That's why we are going to call it determiner only. So number F exercise after this, the correct demonstratives to complete the sentence. I told you with singular we are always going to use this. Now this one was E. Now moving to F. Dash book belongs to Jane. This, those, these. So singular book. So this, right? Only we can use one word from here. This. This book belongs to Jane. My school is beside dash park. Okay, children, see these and those cannot be used for park because park is singular here. So, we are going to use that. That is used for any particular noun which is far away. Okay, singular noun. Now, the exhibition of my paintings will be held at that hall. Yes, hall is singular, so that hall. Number 4. I am going back to London this, these, those. This weekend, singular. Number 5. These, those, that pencil box is mine. So, which? That pencil. That. It's specifying, children. Remember it, okay? That. Number 6. Those, these, that, this, books. Books, plural. So, these books. You cannot use this or that. You have to use these books. Number 7. Number 7 now. Those that these stars are actually millions of miles away. So those, because I'm referring to stars which are far away. So those stars. Number 8. He will take this documents with him. So documents are plural. So these, not that and these. Like these. Yes, children? So we are done with this exercise as well. Now let's move to the possessives one. Possessives are possessive adjectives that show someone possessions such as my, her, his, its, their and our. They are also used as determiners. So now see my book. It's showing possession that the book is mine. You have learned about this in possessive adjective as well. So his water bottle, her bag. So it's showing the possession of the nouns. So with this we are going ahead and we will finish exercise G. Okay, can we write it here? Yes, we can. I'm not rewriting the sentence, children. You will have to rewrite it. The dog became angry when it lost its bone, because for animals we are always going to use what? It. So its bone, number 1. It's. Number 2. Ramesh spoke about his new school. Ramesh is a boy, so we cannot write her. So it will be his. Number 3 now. We are happy because which possessive noun you can use? Our, right? With we cannot say it's our. So it's our. Number 4 now. We should increase dash knowledge through reading. We should increase our knowledge. Number 5 now. Moving to the next page, then we have 46. My, his, their sister is at home. So my sister. We can also use their here, but my is better because there is sometimes also pronoun. So not to use that is better. I called up dash doctor to seek an appointment. I called up my doctor. You can also use his doctor, her doctor. I left dash book at your place. I left, please return it tomorrow. I left my book or her book. You can write anything. Number 8. Visitors should park. Visitors, yes, their car. THE. Yes, children, with this we are also done with exercise G. Now moving ahead with the quantifiers. Yes. Now, quantifiers are those determiners that tell us something about number or quantity, right? We have learned this about quantifiers in adjectives only. So such words are like much, many, of, few, most. Cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3 and none are examples of quantifiers. Okay? Now let us see. Many and several suggest number, and these quantifiers are used with countable nouns. Example, many pens. Children, we have discussed this in adjectives, so I am not going to give details again. So many pens, several trees with countable nouns. Now much and little suggest quantity. I told you in adjective, they are always used with uncountable nouns. Now some and any suggest both quantity and number. These are used with both countable, uncountable nouns. Some is generally used in affirmative sense and any is in negative sentences. Like some advice, some books, any shirt, any idea, like in the negative sense. There is some rice in the pan, but there isn't any curry. So about curry we are saying that there's isn't any curry, so that's why we are going to use any. But when we are affirmating, when we are saying that there is, so we are going to use some. Both some and any can be used in interrogative sentences as well. So if we say yes as an answer, if we expect yes as an answer, we are going to use some. If we expect no as an answer, we normally use any. Any can also mean that it does not matter which one or when or who. So any matlab anything. Now he will reach here anytime today. So I am not talking, because there is 24 hours in a day. So I am not talking about a particular time. I am saying anytime. A few suggests quantity and is used with countable nouns. So we have already had this thing, a few, the few, and about few. So fill in the blanks using suitable quantifiers from the list. Many, several, much, list, some, little, some, any, a few, or two. I did not have, because you don't have any problem, so there will be any. Now children, moving to exercise H. Page number 46. Number 1, any. Number 2, the shop is giving discount on many cotton items. Yes, because countable. Here cotton is not used as a material, but items are counted. Dash people congratulated me for my win. Several people. Okay, several people congratulated for my win. Number 4. After dash hard work, Ram managed. So after much. Number 5. Only dash people attended the meeting. Only a few. Or you can use 2. Okay, a few is good. Number 6. Dash experience is required for the job. Some experience. So we are affirmating that some is required. Number 7. There was dash support for the. There was little support for the strike. Number 8. Dash girls of my school have reached the finals in the inter-school dance competition. So how many girls of my school? 2 girls, right? So with this we have finished this exercise. Now we are moving ahead with the distributives. Distributives are those determiners that show distributions, like we have learnt each, either, neither, right? Every these words. Neither is used when we are talking about none, when we are not we are saying there are 2 options but we want none. Either is used either one of them. Every is used for every in a particular sense, so they are always taken as singular. Every, each, neither, either, they are always considered singular. That's why we are going to use only singular verb with it. So like every is going to use singular verb and singular noun as well. So every student must bring his holiday homework or textbook tomorrow. Now tick the correct options to complete the sentences. We have to use this distributive determiners to complete this one. They are giving discount on each item. We are on page number 47 now. Number 1, and this was exercise. Now we are on exercise I, and before this we had finished H. Yes. Now we are on I. Each item. Number 2. She does not listen to either. Okay. That means she is neither is a great word, I think, to use here. So we are going to use neither. Neither of our parents. Now you can buy dash dress since both will look. Either of the dress. Okay, either you can buy this or you can buy that. Neither, when we are using, we are referring she listens to none of them. Dash dress fits her. Every dress. Number 5. Dash bedroom of the house has a bathroom attached to it. Every. Or you can use each. Dash player of the winning team would be awarded. Every player. Number 7. Dash library has French books. Has, so I. Each library. Number 8. The teacher spoke dash child of class regarding the issue. The teacher spoke to each child. Yes, children, we are done with this as well. Number I. Now let's move to interrogative. Determiners that help ask questions are what, whose, which, how much, how many. These are called interrogatives. Dash book is interesting. Okay, which book? So it's asking question. We have seen it in adjective also, interrogative adjective. Number 2. Dash did you pay for the bag? How much? Because it's asking about the amount. Dash do you do during your break time? What do you do? Number 4. Dash balloons do you require for the party? How many? Countable, that's why how many? Number 5. Dash bedroom of the house has a bathroom, a dash bag is lying on the table. Whose bag is lying on the table? Number 6. Dash money do you want? How much money do you want? Money is uncountable, that's why we are using much. And then we have dash glasses do you need? How many glasses do you need? And number 8. Dash car is parked at the gate. Children, we can write whose, okay? Or we can write which. So we are writing whose car, okay? Because it's much more relevant and much more appropriate. So here we are with exercise J, and we have one more exercise remaining, and then we will finish this video lesson. So take the correct determiners in these sentences. For this I will have to clear this board. I hope you are done with it, children. Now number K, the last one. This is also on page number 47 only. Number 1. The lady in a white sari is my grandmother. My. Number 2. Each student was given a storybook. Number 3. Did you face any? So I am expecting a negative reply. Answer in no. So that's why I will use any. Several, every. Okay. Several. Many books. Okay. Several books are written by my uncle. Now number 5. Whose pencil box? It is asking question. That's why we are going to use whose. Interrogative. Dash boys of our class, not 5th, okay? It's not telling us about the position, it is telling about the number. So 5 boys. Number 7. Dash invitees are attending the function. Invitees are countable, so we cannot write much, so we are going to use many. And number 8. Dash beggar stood at my doorstep seeking alms. A beggar. Okay? So see, children, we are done with this exercise as well. So with this, children, we are done with our fifth chapter also. See, we were so quick in learning because we had finished nouns and adjectives beforehand only, and this chapter was quite easy. I hope you learned the determiners, and now you know about the use of articles as well. We are going to meet in our next video lesson with a new chapter. Okay, until then, please take care of yourself and your family, children. Bye bye.